To indicate the origin or source from a place, from a city, from a country, from a source. He is from New York. This wine comes from France. To show the starting point in time, from today, from tomorrow, from the beginning, from now on. The store is closed from today. We will start the project from tomorrow. To express separation or distance, from afar, from a distance of. You can see the mountain from a distance. She looked at him from afar. To indicate a cause or reason, from experience, from practice, from work, from personal knowledge. I know this from experience. He learned a lot from work. To denote movement or direction from here, from there, from one place to another. I just came from the office. She traveled from Paris to London by train. To indicate a starting point for a measurement from 0 to 100, from 10 years ago, from January, from the first day. The temperature ranged from 0 to 100 degrees. The project started from January. To express distinction or difference, different from, far from, apart from, her, this version is different from the previous one. She is far from being happy. To denote removal or exclusion from the list, from the menu, from the group. He was removed from the list. The dish was taken from the menu. Common collocations with from the beginning, from scratch, from now on, from time to time. They started from the beginning to fix the issue. We'll have to start from scratch. We will meet from time to time to discuss progress.